Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace ignition coils on Ford Fiesta. We have the codes that relate to ignition coil, check out the video. But if you're just replacing ignition coils, we'll show you how to do that now. Not very complicated procedure at all, it's super simple, so you can do it at home with minimum tools. So stay with us and let's start on it. More than 200 videos will be made on this Ford Fiesta, excuse me. So make sure you subscribe to the channel guys, and if you need anything just let us know, we'll try to make a video. So what we will need to do, we will need to go ahead and open the hood. Okay, and once you open the hood guys, okay, we have to remove the engine cover right here. So this engine cover has 4 bushings holding it, so you need to grab with 2 hands and just start pulling on it, but careful not to break it. You have to firmly hold it. Okay, and you can see that's the cover. Okay, that's where the bushings go. Okay, 2 and 2 on this side. You can see they go in this right here. So we'll demonstrate how to remove and replace one ignition coil. You can see we have 4-cylinder engine. The procedure will be exactly the same for all 4 of them. So once you know how to do it on one, we'll show you you know how to do the rest. So that gray piece here, you need to pull it out, okay, like that. That's to unlock it, and then you press on it down and you pull the cable out, okay, just like that. Once you do that guys, okay, you need to get an 8mm socket. Okay, and we need to go ahead and remove a couple bolts. Okay, right here. And you can go ahead, grab the ignition coil and pull it out. Okay, you can see how long it is. Always, okay, inspect them for water and oil. We washed our engine and we have water here, so that's not a good thing. We need to dry them because otherwise they will not perform right. But if you have a oil leak in the valve cover, okay, you might notice some oil on the ignition coils, then you know it's time for valve cover gasket. So when you're ready to get a new ignition coil, all you have to do, it goes in an angle, okay, like that. You'll see the spark plug there. Push it in, make sure it's contacting the spark plug. Install the 2 bolts now, and I'll recommend getting those tight by hand, because you don't want to mess the thread up. We can use the impact removing them, but just do it by hand when you get them tight, because that's not a very big bolt. Okay, one's tight and the other one. Next, connect the cable, the wire, push the gray piece in, and that will be guys the whole procedure. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, thank you for the support and see you next time.